colorful sister.
So today we're going to be introducing our new
birds.
We actually got 3 birds because if you saw our last vlog, which was the one that said we may get hamsters, we actually, you want to tell them a story?
Yeah, hamsters, and we did not like them at all.
They stink. It was just not the right pet for us, but if you do enough research, we'll do a video why not to get hamsters.
Yeah.
But then there's a bunch of other videos. It's maybe just not for us. If you could hear one right now, that's one of our new birds.
Like and comment
and share and put on the post notification bell so you guys will be notified every time we post a video. And sorry about the new intro, guys. The one that we had in like the other videos, it actually was getting copyrighted, so we have to get a new one. Yeah. But anyways, let's go. Yeah. Okay, guys. So this is a bird cage. So we got this. This is very expensive. Sorry, don't mind the mess. I'm cleaning it today. This is $80. It's very expensive. I don't really recommend it because this part comes off really easy. That's what we'll be showing you the toys, and we'll take them out. So, Ari, you want to show them some things? Don't show them the food stuff yet because I'll like.
So here are the perches that they like being on.
Yeah, they love these perches, and it came with this cage. So, and this cage is from PetSmart.
And they also really like this like mirror that they stick up on and like to see their side.
Sorry, some of the birds. They got it on both sides because they love, as you can tell, they got the mirror dirty, but there's beads on it.
Yeah. Oh, thank you. Oh,
okay, now show more.
Okay, so next is their cuddle bone over here.
Ariel doesn't really know what this is for, but I asked my mom actually the other day. It helps with their beak. Wait, hold on, guys. I'm waiting for this to focus. So, I'll show them this is part of their diet. This is some millet. We have a feeder. Yeah, this is, they have to have it. But there it is. I'll show you the brands and stuff. There, you want to hold the camera? Really cute. We put it up here because they can reach it from their perch. And then, there's this toy.
Yeah, and this toy,
they like to stand on them. I actually saw them.
Yeah. Yeah. So that's a toy and it spins.
And then I'll show this last toy. It's like these little beads with a bell on it. They're right there. Okay, now I'll show the food. We got these feeders, which are really cute from Petco. Yeah. And I'll show you, like, this is just regular water. But I'll show you what their food actually is later because I'm going to have to change it today. But yeah, that's them. Like their cage. So,
yeah.
I guess let's go show. We also have, you can show these other feeders.
We have another feeder and it's like a water and a food one again.
From Petco.
Yeah.
This is the brand we got the feeders from.
Yeah.
Cuddle bone thing.
Yeah, that's the one.
We have one left. Okay.
We got millet for them. We have 2 bags of it. And it's healthy.
Select.
And there's a lot of millet.
And it's natural. But don't worry, we don't give them all this at once. We have this little bit in a feeder, and then they eat it, and then, yeah. For them, we got another healthy select parakeet food.
Yeah.
It says parakeet. So yeah, basically a seed mix. The one, it's parakeet food. It's just from the brand Katie. And there's fruits and vegetables. Yeah, and then we had to go get their egg food. So this is our other bird. She really wants to come out right now.
She's cute.
I want to pet her.
Pet her too.
I'm going to pet her, but she's probably going to try to go on me. Her name is Jasper. Sorry, guys.
Just feel bad for my baby.
We can't take her out without her mom.
Yeah.
Oh, she's...
Okay, guys, so this is their egg.
The brand Pico. Oh yeah, that's her other bird, George. You guys may know her.
then there's a spoon inside because we cut it.
It looks like that. And no, it does not come with a spoon. And it kind of actually smells good. It doesn't smell like egg.
Yeah, but it smells kind of like those vitamins.
Yeah, and sounds.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, here I'm tripod. Okay, so these are budgie parakeets.
Yeah.
Because there's different types of parakeets, and Ariel's is the. You can explain yours.
Mine is the yellow one.
It's yellowish white with like gray, black dots on it, and then mine is yellow, black, blue. She also has like green, and she has like a cool like turquoise blue under her wings. Oh yeah, before they stood on each other.
Yeah.
I think. Oh, there's those on my hand.
They're so cute.
They always make that noise.
Want a
You just
massage? You really do not
You
like.
just like did a tweety bite.
You don't even like your head pet.
Mine does. Mine likes when I do this to her neck. Like,
Can I try? Yeah, I wish mine could do that.
and then we can do a separate video of how we like train them. Area. Well, guys, we really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. And I think we should do a live after this.
Yeah, I really want. I miss those lives.
Yeah, guys, we used to do a bunch of lives and post them.
Yeah, and I want to do more.
Anyways, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and put on post notification bell so you guys remember every time we post a video. Anyways, bye! Bye! Girl!
Could have been pure diarrhea or.
Hey! Always wash your hands after a bird poops. Always wash your hands if you get poop on you. Bye.